The Management for Business Excellence course aims to develop a special depth of understanding in its students on business improvement with its unique combination of philosophies, approaches and techniques aimed at creating business excellence. It aims to provide industry with graduates who have both the confidence to challenge traditional practices and the comprehensive practical skills that they can apply straight away to their workplace. The course is uniquely built around the EFQM excellence model. This is the foremost global excellence framework. It takes a holistic look at organisational resources, the interrelationships between departments, and also the optimisation of customer satisfaction for long-term growth. In the challenge-based learning approach, students are set tasks that they might meet in the business world and allowed to explore tools, techniques and approaches in the classroom environment that give them practice ready to apply in their subsequent job roles. So the students work on a major project during the course based on a business excellence improvement topic. This allows them the freedom to explore a topic of particular interest to them in much more depth. The course aims to give students the confidence to challenge traditional ways of thinking. We have industrial speakers on the course and they give them unique insights into leadership and best practice in many areas of business. So the MBA course draws students from many different countries across the globe, allowing them a richness of learning experience that they would not otherwise have had. The students have access to a really broad range of modern facilities here at WMG. We've got some great rooms where they can break out and collaborate for their teamwork. We've got really good classrooms with great audio-visual facilities, as well as the students having access to all of the indoor and outdoor facilities here on campus, which help with their well-being throughout the course. Graduates of MBE have progressed into many different roles on leaving the course. For example, business improvement manager, business analyst, quality manager. Some have gone into consultancy. MBE graduates have secured positions in a really very diverse range of employers. Some examples of these would be the World Bank Group, Bank of China, WorldPay, HSBC, Citibank, consultancy companies like Ernst & Young, KPMG for example. So there really are a huge array of different companies that the graduates have gone into. The Management for Business Excellence course gives the broadest range of business excellence and quality improvement techniques on a WMG full-time master's offering. It doesn't home in on a particular field, rather it prepares students for a broad range of business improvement roles following their studies.